Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake for baby only way. Start by selecting fresh, simple ingredients and a small 6-inch pan for gentle portions. Measure flour and mashed fruit precisely and keep spices minimal. Use yogurt or applesauce for moisture instead of oil. Preheat your oven and set a timer to avoid overbaking. Cool fully before frosting and always test temperature before serving to the baby. Pick ingredients that are nutritious and gentle on tiny tummies. Mash banana or use applesauce to sweeten naturally and add moisture without refined sugar. Substitute whole grain flour or finely ground oats for a softer crumb and added fiber. Choose yogurt or a familiar milk like breast milk or formula to keep flavors comforting. Keep spices very light and avoid honey and nuts until the baby is old enough. If you are finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple baby recipes. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, which keeps water handy while you mix and multitask in the kitchen, and it looks great on the counter. I find it stops spills and keeps my water cool during prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bake gently at a moderate temperature for a soft, even crumb that toddlers can easily manage. Let the cake cool completely before spreading a thin, smooth layer of yogurt or mashed fruit as frosting. Use a small offset spatula or spoon to avoid heavy layers and keep decorations simple with pureed fruit or soft banana slices. Cut into small, manageable pieces and always check the cake temperature before offering it to the baby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.